In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in QuickBooks Online. Managing inventory is a crucial part of running a business. With QuickBooks Online, you have all the tools you need to keep track of your products, services, and stock levels. Whether you're monitoring inventory quantities, analyzing product performance, or customizing reports, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now, let's dive in and take a closer look at how to track inventory effectively. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is your primary tool for moving around within QuickBooks. Once you're there, click on the Sales option in the left-hand panel. This will take you to the Sales Center, where all things related to sales and transactions are managed. From here, navigate to the Products and Services tab. This tab is incredibly useful because it gives you a complete overview of all your inventory items, non-inventory parts, and services in one place. Take a moment to review the list of products and services displayed here. This area will show you everything you currently have set up in QuickBooks, including detailed information about each item. As you review the list, keep an eye on the Quantity on Hand column. This is where you can monitor your stock levels. It's essential to know how much inventory you have available to meet customer demand and avoid overselling. If you're looking for a specific item, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in the name or keyword associated with the product or service, and QuickBooks will filter the list for you. This is a great time saver, especially if you manage a large inventory. You can also sort columns to get a clearer view of your data. For instance, you might want to sort by quantity to quickly identify low stock items, or sort by activity to see which products are selling the most. Sorting makes it easier to prioritize your inventory management tasks. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the option labeled More. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Run Report. This will generate a detailed inventory report for you to review. The report provides valuable insights into your products and services. It includes details such as quantity on hand, total value, and movement over time. This is where you can analyze how your inventory is performing and make informed decisions for your business. To make the report even more useful, you can customize it. Adjust the date range to focus on a specific period, show or hide columns to highlight the data that matters most, and apply filters to narrow the report down to just inventory items. Customization allows you to tailor the report to your specific needs. You can also group and sort the data within the report. This is helpful for identifying trends, such as best sellers or items that are moving slowly. Understanding these trends can help you optimize your inventory strategy. Once you've customized the report to your liking, you can save the layout for future use. This means you won't have to repeat the customization process every time you need the report. Additionally, you can share the report with your team to keep everyone on the same page. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.